was easier for them.
So Vodafone sucks. I have to pay to call them on the phone, and when they say it's free online, their agents are busy. And I bought this 44 gigabyte thing, but the data died at 2 gigabytes, and because it's actually supposed to be a 2 gigabyte card with a sticker with it, and it doesn't actually translate to 4 gigabytes, even though I sent this text to get the big value. Very frustrating. I'm trying to figure this out now. Okay, Ella?
Oui.
Comment entrer la forêt? Comme la passe here?
Peut-être par là.
Found it. Vegetarian place. Let's see. Yes, here it's amazing. It's all vegetarian. Vegan stuff again. Oh my god, this place is so beautiful. Wow. And that is the Louvre behind me. Somewhere there, I think. Did I miss it? Somewhere. I don't know. I can't see, it's so bright. But it's beautiful here. Yay! Lots of reflection, but hey, the Lego store in Paris. There goes the baker with his shirt. And here's the Lego store. Wow, look at this. At the Lego store. It's amazing, amazing. And Notre Dame. It's insane. Insane. Safe behind these windows and these parapets of stone, gazing at the people down below me. Reinhard, Reinhard, Reinhard! Nervous! Die, die, die! I've got you in my sights. C'est charron. Et ici, le manche. Not bad, very fast, you.
Ouais, ça fait du bien.
It's
Good, right? Hey, wine.
C'est parfait. Un grand merci à vous.
I am in the area.